Hello everyone, it is Edge here, and in today's adventure we'll be traveling to Portsalon and to do some pier jumping, and we are gonna record that adventure with this bad boy and this bad boy. Thanks for joining us and enjoy.
I finally got my wetsuit on after 5 hours.
I've never seen this place as crowded as this. Pier jumping time.
What's this in the
First jump.
I was waiting for this. Hier, ik huge. We're gonna jump from the small place first.
Yeah. Let's go to
Hazır
the
mısın?
Let's go. No, it's not cold. We have a wetsuit. Zana banana, let's go. Woo! Well done. 1, 2, 3. Nice one, well done, boy. I was born ready, son. Let's go. Dun, 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 dun. Abi means big brother. Yallah. Git, yürü, go. My who? Go. Well done. My back.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And